Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this video, I'm going to compare the default battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS graphics settings comparison between all of these three smartphones which I do have right now. Starting with the first phone is a Snapdragon 860 chipset from the POCO X8 Pro device, and let's see friends what are the default graphics settings in this device. And next is a OnePlus 8T with a Snapdragon 865 processor, and finally the iQOO 7 device with a Snapdragon 870 chipset. Let's see friends what are the default graphics settings comparison between all of these three smartphones and which processor can actually play at 90 FPS without any kind of problem. So these are the few things which I'll try to discuss in this video, exactly demonstrating and comparison between all of these three smartphones. In case if you want me to include any other special video with other devices, let me know in the comments. So what other smartphones you want me to do that. So first let's start with the POCO X8 Pro device. Let's see what are the default graphics settings you can actually play in this device. Let's go to the settings option, and it's the graphics friends, and you can play it smooth and extreme settings. There is no 90 FPS. Balanced and extreme also got unlocked. HD and extreme, HDR and extreme, Ultra HD and Ultra. You can clearly see friends, you can play exactly at 60 FPS without any kind of issues in the POCO X8 Pro device. That's kind of perfect, right? In this device, no issues with that. Now let's move to the next phone, which is the OnePlus 8T device. So this is a OnePlus 8T with a Snapdragon 865 processor. So let me show you exactly the scores, what's going on. So regarding the default settings, so smooth and 90 FPS got unlocked already in the OnePlus 8T for a very long time. That's something you should know. And next is regarding the balanced and extreme, HD and extreme, HDR and extreme. Ultra HD is also supported, Ultra HD and Ultra. You can clearly see, not bad. These are the default settings. So 90 FPS has been unlocked long back in the Snapdragon 860 chipset, but right now we're not getting 90 FPS in the Snapdragon 870 as well. That's kind of annoying part at this moment. But this is the iQOO 7 device friends, which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. And here's a quick look at the settings. Smooth and extreme, balanced extreme, HD and extreme, HDR and extreme, Ultra HD and Ultra. These are the default graphics settings which are present between all of these three smartphones regarding the battlegrounds mobile game latest version like 1.9.0. So that's the reason I thought of uploading a video on this POCO X8 Pro device. So I'm trying to use a real-time FPS meter as well. Real-time FPS, floating FPS meter, which is also working really good, not bad. So it's a quick look at the real-time FPS meter POCO X8 Pro device, which can actually play 60 FPS in this phone. And in the OnePlus 8T device, unfortunately you cannot play it 90 FPS in the OnePlus 8T. I'll try to explain what's going on in the OnePlus 8T device. So you're getting this real-time refresh rate option, right? So even though I select the 90 FPS in these settings, still I cannot get that I cannot get that 90 FPS, 90 Hz or 120 Hz refresh rate. It's not changing. It's only remaining around 60 only, and I'm not sure why it's kind of remaining. Maybe the OnePlus must have done some kind of restrictions not to play at 90 FPS. So these are the few settings friends which are just demonstrating, and definitely the Snapdragon 870 processor is right now. I did not get any kind of 90 FPS update. So it's a quick look, and definitely 4D vibrations are not working in both phones. So both phones, they don't have any kind of 4D vibrations. The POCO X8 Pro and OnePlus device, only the iQOO 7 has got 4D vibrations, only the iQOO 7 device exactly at this moment. We're going to go back to the lobby and is a quick look at the iQOO sound device, so which has got the 4D vibrations and which works fantastic. As you can see, friends, overall the iQOO sound device, the 60 Hz only it's playing right now. There is no 90 FPS unlocked, unfortunately. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and let's stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off, this is a quick demonstration which are showing with you all regarding all the three processors, what's going on, and which processor was able to play. So meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching, and let's stay tuned for more updates, and bye.